eba ne say na Mose anko na kire se wonim se okwa na nim bede ebegu ase Avram ben Mose was a smart guy tie on say ni tape bi leaky ya na wo take ebuma na wo ka say oba akwaji sika wo NPP fo no no ogi wia no asa plastic wo mu na omba be ni bibia no asa hunu mo say odum be ko aduru so ya video no leaky ye no on say eba say video na leaky ya ono Mose no gitum say video na leaky no ya ewo mu say okampa say oba akwaji sika wo NPP fo no asa ba be fire wo mu no akire ya oye teachings no o si okache common sense for say obi ma bribe a gi nedi unim de ento cancer enye se bia wo cancer because of say onim say bribe gi ayew da bi na mmom no say wono aye bi no a enko no be ka say oh cancer we dem man ka ni ye ni nti ono be say o de smart move a policy ade ne say de o ye ne right. La tudam po nyankopon ya we na se nkunimdifo hene ya we nyankopon no odo boss robo asase no doba mezia no edimu e na to nkwamu nobody can quench this fire there be we dena no a Yesu edi nkunim edin a ebru din nyina so edin a wo ba na esoro awoso edin a wo ba na asase se awoso edin a wo ba na tumi boni nyina do abrase eno e na eye Yesu edin o try edin no a waso betimi ayese maamu wataba eye evangelist ade ena bonsamba enso eye Abraham ben Mose
enche e be start way bible school anti missionary bible course ne better bible school amede ba be kire kwan fa so disprove bible say mfiri nyanko medjuma no juma bonsam dia ma me no bonsam na de bonsam edjuma na me
maamu wataye ejuma bonsam ena Mose so ejuma bonsam but we are the class of the titans abonsam fo mienu no mo de asi ani lenyina mu aye fire for fire yeah there from day one wa fire for fire bia yasma can say Abraham ben Mose in the common sense family Mose ono no odi ohun so attack Yesu a o attack Bible a o attack Nyankopon asem no a ena the market eba enti da bia wa watie fire for fire from day one abesine no ehun hiampo se mekasa everything aye clear bibia aye clear ye baba be free ase obediaman ko ni fire for fire ena egusu aye hwe no wona tambia no ya na ye ka se ye modin se ebeben Nyankopon enum asem akone asem nyina mu se de be ya ebeboa nyina the patch your number is 0247 dumadi aye di person support to 0247947812 0247947812 0247947812 Abraham ben Mose ahase ene de course no nyina no ene eye evangelist ade ensema waka ogusu e kan ne kura wo ye videos ahodo ya video ni nyina no botae no eye Mose ena akese o expose no e wo kwame brebe so ni nyile bedi mu nkomo na bibia tumi akoso because adwuma ne de ye de yese until say bonefo no wona abo mutim se omba ye adwuma bonsam besesa ne de yense bekoso aye adwuma no eye sa na ade ne etie enti yeguso ya ye Nyankopon adwuma na de wona ya na eba wona pato ba Obedia Radio and TV page no yen share pa page no yen share Obedia Radio and TV page no pa meto yen share na yen like page no wo like here say ye share teachings ase efri sa Obedia Radio and TV page ho no mo no a wonsa ebetumi akaye na bibia etumi akoso edi kan e pa meto Abraham ben Mose ni
enche e be start way bible school anti missionary bible course ne better bible school amede ba be kire kwan fa so disprove bible say mfiri nyanko medjuma no juma bonsam dia ma me no bonsam na de bonsam edjuma na me ojetum amijetum enche e be start way bible school anti missionary bible course ne better bible school amede ba be kire kwan fa so disprove bible say mfiri nyanko medjuma no juma bonsam dia ma me no bonsam na de bonsam adwuma na me oje tum am je tum enche be start we bible
abusua ne nyina no ene se ene ye fa na ye no evangelist ade ensem a waka expose e course o mesi da biara wona ehwe fire no ensem ya no da biara metaka ne se Abraham Ben Moshe and the Common Sense family wo ewo agenda wo ewo butaye wa wo ye common sense ni ena ya na ho ye me wanwan ho ye me sere say etim ko ton common sense man 35 Ghana e okumase 35 cedi ni aton ama no otua ade ye common sense ekuo mu nipa ekuo mu panyin be kasa kire kuo ba agise otua sika number 2 NDP kuo kro ma yesa NDC kuo kro ba yesa se na kufu adwa ole NDP leader ne mahama ye NDC leader osem be kasa kire mu NDP fo na NDC fo gise mu tua sika sei ti say the Oko stadium ebe adwen na anya adwuma body no ebre da bia me kasa hwe wo kan Matthew chapter 7 verse 1 Yesu ka asem bi wose mu atan no mu matan mu fo no mu fo na wo kan anya akɔwie se sukuru wa be nsuo no ye be nsuo ama it is the same thing theory of equal measures ye de be ma pepepe wo kan Romans 2 verse 1 wose wo no wo bu obi atan no ye bi no ma bisa de wo bu obu ate wo mu no sa onso ye the same thing aditi na make an say Nyankopon over time e won bibia o de mbra na de djuma o senka 4 verse 1 say bibia won emre last na me teaching na make an say ye won krofo pie kaseti ya bible kaseti ya Yesu e wo bible mu Pharaoh bi Ezra chapter 5 verse 1 o say wan Nyankopon na mentie no na me ma Israel fo nko but Nyankopon nya mbra ma no go see the time e son ye e sa ne te e de na ra bibia no no hinta e bedadi dem pesa me ma ewiase nyina te ase no di fire no na ya hisha se ye de expose won na be ko so expose wo munwuma ya o moye o kan Luke 12 verse 1 to 2 no a wo se bibia no ma hinta e na adie bibia no ma hinta e na adie o se da bia na ya na be ka se agenda omu wa agenda ene se yemfa Yesu se na ye se no ya attack Bible no na yemfa nye business da bia me ka sa asem wo as Abraham Ben Moshe je wo ye nyina because who say o attack Bible o attack Nyankopon asem a ena ni dwaba nti mebuza say won say Hindu ne Sadan legends no won fa no enya hwe because o attack na fa so bi a e maso ma no na mom no wo hu de o attack a abema ne market aba nti obetufu say ja sore ko so tifie na wo do common sense na wo boy jaman na wo wensa na wo siwi ja sorry comfort kan kwa sorry no de common sense no automata the 5 Ghana na mo movement no wa amwa no we obuwa kakrampo na yeso busa nwa asem a yeso ye vampire we ye vampire be pa chawo ene ye nche bebrebe nti ye be kɔ ensem no so fast ye be kɔ ensem no so fast ni nyina ye nsem evangelist ade hwe mameka asem bi nchiro ensem na evangelist ade e ka no ye se bomochichi ofiri nso ase be ka se den temawu a echenye bi no ho no mawu mu we se ma me wataba we se wa ye bonsamba wo mu nyina ye adwuma batumi baako ene wo be ka se die ntia wo mu ye sa ade ye no ene se wo mu ye se da bi ye pese ye kasetia we ye ene ye be trend e ye meeting na by all means omu ka ho a wo mu pie yen so wo mu de ba betodwa ama wiase nyina hu se ubopɔ bɔne wo se nipa kra obi di Yesu achi wo se na adwene keke common sense wo kra kra wo bie no nipa mfiri Yesu achi meje common sense nipa mfiri Yesu achi all because of say o selfish interest tutu because obi ma bribe ginedi me pese ma oti ase se evangelist ade asem na wo ka no hwe ewo mu se mebusem aka 14:15 say ate kwa na gi asem nyina adie je oya atete kwa no won na gi asem nyina adie but ade ba ko wo mu ne say mebusem 18 verse 13 ne verse 17 no wose de oboni nkro fa ye no tasini ni because say ne yakoba pp mu de but eyefidie ma obi say ubetu anamon wa abra anamon ukuta wo personal agenda epacho enanso evangelist ade eye video ni bi na medin kan abo the previous ones ni bi na ya analyze na yedi mu nkomo ena eyo topic eyo topic same aseme makaka say Avram Ben Moshe ni bote nyina ne say na nka wanya time ewo Kingdom TV Amen TV wanya time ewo sa TV station we ya common sense enya time with common sense ba jere kama agwasam na get say common sense na agenda ne say yen kasentia Yesu and the Bible say de be ya ye benya enkrofo bebrebe edi yachi but bibia no ma eso akata ya MP bibia ni wiase ya ahinta ye hunu ejade bia we no osum sade nti ya nam ka asem bi and it is true was men kan che obia wo hoyi no ehu adansefo eye aduoso enson epa chaw medi kan akọ the videos a odin kan o sha ase apologize no eye evangelist ade yenti
yeah ebusuan phone my baby I'm said network no okay mama who say network na network in Europe now enipa bia ya we yam from so when we yam from so greediness. One of the reasons why people are not able to apologize is their greediness to continuously cause harm. And as a damage, they are not ready to change. People, they will never apologize. Maybe they are kata so who say, now, as I'm a can, now, Ben Moshe, framing up the book who said, me say ni dina me say CSF na onu so nim say system ni mu the whole Ghana ni bia kura no enim say the whole Ghana me na me start say me kire Ghana for no say religion no ye nyai because me hu say Ghana no you need to create something different keke Ghana ni hu sade bia ba ne say different keke obedi akiri o mu samu ena to be able to get somewhere say odifika sem ebemu a say senkrofo bi wo bo mama wo matimi ase vuska ama wo mabrabo adi a ebeboa ama watimi akọ anim quick me na me device say sa plans ni nyina ena kire wo Ben Moshe wo contact me wo California sa atam ena wo Ghana na wo contact me ena ye team enti no hia stars e wo Ghana omodo beba out hia what you say omodo beba out obi se Ben Moshe started long time me wo audio ha wo confirm wo se me ohun se me na me ye ena oba e be ka kire me se opese wo no nso ye bie me wo audio wo phone so me mpese me cancel bibiri what you say me wo audio kakra wa ha ba no pese wo kire to wo ye smart I am smart than you. What you say? What? They are smart still. They can't know. But you can't that meaning that so good in that scapper after you walk with some public remember what can some just walk by one. They can't know. So we say, what you can't need, what you said in university and do what you say? Dear Chelso. I'm supposed to have one of you. Tie me ka no kra kire wo de tie ne say movement no start here e wo mu a na ma shada kriti ade bi say asemene na e kon kakra tie trick no e ba ta mun tie mind game no ye na o we na mso de asiade bi so because me no ma follow mo say ache e wo ni teaching because of fire ntino me wo ya na ma be ma answer nti wo a waka ache no obeti de make kan ase me da bia maso me kan say wo hunu say o attack Bible a na ni business eba wo a waka fire bia wo say e asoma da bia meka enu nti
always yen find fault Bible ho en agenda enti me pese wonya abotre na wutie ne yie de enti a Avram Ben Moshe ekọ Angel FM Kofi Otiami Kofi an interview with and said we a spiritualist and answer we also a spiritualist the part of Moshe or a spiritualist and answer also only a common sense neba bem ka sem bia kire no atiase say ade ka say only has here collaboration menye tinye yesi asem ni adanse a ye twa ho bi de adanse eba ne say na common sense leader with the common sense ato ho so no wutimi ka sa asem we em na ade egutam
once I try spiritually amuntu me say my be me ho me the forces in nature and the gods of our land and the Canadian kwame etamechi nyamene na na muji di no tamechi you can't stand me
we evangelist ade I anamon Avram Ben Moshe sadi we wo see yen use common sense it's the moment we have say na nanom tamechi na evangelist ade anu okutam da because according to Moshe was say Nyankopon ma yadwene enti ye hia Nyankopon no evangelist ade and at that time there be our ba no oka ma muata and ye nananom no ogu nsa ene ade tie ne ye me say ahase ne Moshe say o nyame ma yadwene ye nyusu ne nyina se nyusu brain nko a o sha ase nti say ade ka say wone wo ye collaboration e wone ma bu hu a pegwa wonu masem meme de answer meme nkofo bi kasa me de wa kasa wo de yentie Moshe
if you put sanka makase yenko African power wa obrodi power tontro wa pojidi na African power obrodi power tontro wa me kan bi tumi wo me kan no credit akere wa me ka se didi ni wo enye bibia ye tumi prove woni me se wonu ekutu a wonya vitamin C can you prove vitamin C Dianemendi, mu be ten people. Omo ye teachings bia. Mesramo, me pamocha share enlightenment no. Ye levels and other things enlightenment levels. Level bi o na wonye ndru ho na obi teach ya ye dignity na ye research. Simple. No say bi kaka say we are hwini ho. When ka say hwini ho. O ka say this universe is just this reality. O ka say we are just physical world. Yeah.
Common sense in here all can say if you are still can say just this physical world. Let's just say evangelists are there can say only say if you are here let's just say true.
Na nyen sam ne yaka o ka say to me bi ani ho o ka say to me bi ani ho hwi ni ho you we say simple as that true say adwumaden and this kaba ba wo bi o say adwumaden as scan mother
enti Dienti a me boss video we no audio we no because of say Moshe no an nsem bia oka etu de yema evangelist aden kasa because ema evangelist aden kasa because no asem na oka no me tase nsem no ayese bese panic na haba ye tase ne banyansafo because common sense from the shase no na o maye mo bibia enfa no common sense yan fi adwenante within a short time after the spiritual
Uma na shada kreti adie bi wo si ni musa se menene wo beef na ono nso akreti adie bi sa so wo ne me wo beef e wo ma na ono nso ma yese teachings bi a wo ye no won kɔ ye nkramofo de kakra na ase me twe na adwen si so wo ye teachings bi a na ma ba ho na ma ba be comment na ma ye more fire said ye be ya ono nso ebi kura o madwen ma topic bi so na ma twe o madwen so tie ni ye o now the year 2015 na ye mfre na Pastor Lee 2015 ni mo ho ba na me nso ma start me ayi ni long time o me free Pentecost ewo San Diego ena me start me movement no ena wo be dwan ni hu say movement no succeed na wo pese wo ye fame na unya more followers said ye be ya wo be dikan etimi on say nipa bebre be ye yenim say Ghana music stars ni famous people in Ghana o embassy o ka jira easy Now when you that is one of your main agenda. And into we say open say oba out na o hit here. Na ye hu say asofo no. So obetimi akasa a disgrace Christianity ana Islam. Aje se wonya enipa bia obeye dirty job na ma wo. Because me say sofo bi hu beda ho. Na me kwa me ade me wa America no. Menim say sofo bia ntimi nya me foku. Me wa America no. Na ma fire sofo na ma kire Ghana for say sofo no we occult. Tie ni yo. Ma fire sofo no. Na ma kire asofo no say ma kire Ghana for say sofo no e occult. Ntina ma Ghana for no kire suro sofo no. Ekobasa na wo ben mo she nso teachings na wo kire say Bible no emwa nti wo mon dog no. Na nkrofo say wo ade kwa dika achi o su ben pa e occult. Sofo we say occult. Nti ene asem bia ben mo she ka no mo aye nti. Nti adwuma ni nyina na me ye dirty job no because who suro say bia wo Ghana nti ukota ke sofo bi personally a. Sofo no be man ne body asofo no bi e wa dofo ene guards. Omo be woro hye wo ben mo she nti usuro. Ti me nya dirty job no me dia meti abro change sofo bia nti me nya me hwe. Ti me nya dirty job no ma wo. Na wo nso e fa wo teachings no Messi ene Ronaldo. Ti o ye ba foforo no. Na Ghana for one frey Messi ene Ronaldo. Pictures bi ni ade kora na security media no so. What you say? Me na me dirty job no nyina. Ene bia na attack agena sare eye occult. E bia we ye occult. Na amana lusu members kakra. Nti members bia wo lusu wo no. Na wo ben mo she wo two teachings na capture them quick. Teamwork. Me pesa wo ti ase ese wo obabontre na obey apology.
There are evangelists are there any abring one say said they will no air patcha one because him akwasa akronfo mienu amu nyina maka bu mabokro no na ba kwa sakra no ono de wa sakra ne ka che o se masa obeya aye ne ntem hwe on say aha no o say ono wo outside ninti no ono ka say o tu anamo bi saa on soro bi ko obi antum nya no hwe ne mo no wo gara ha ne munti o kasa na wo twitwi break hwe me say asem ni adanse ya ho ye twa ho bi na ye de aya adanse mo na mo ka sa adwen na anya adwuma body ne bre me bebo mo say video bi a kyerɛw me ma ye ho fire pan ti ne ba nem say mo say me mo no ho adaje anya na ho adaje pa yes
no fe mamo aso from kra Bible na mo so mo ye politics. They be a mumpany fear to do. Oma command way 100,000 celebrate Ghana celebrities. Ebino, wedding, media campaign, and the ama political party here. Because why China, or there to correct place.
Me particular portion be no ma bo achero. Aha.
Site. Na me kwatna. Na me ko US de na mo.
Tie ni yo. O so kwa hen fa de amawo. Me say he me try to atos waje de. Wanum kasa. Tie ni yo. Evangelist ade our country bay. Evangelist ade country bay no. Me pato mo amwo online mo nim country kura evangelist ade wo no. Satama oye video we na beef ni nyamayo na evangelist ade enyamay emeye ni expose no. Oman be mu na evangelist ade wo. Tie asemu aha no. Na oye teaching evangelist ade e wo USA. Tie ni ye. Se evangelist ade ka se no oni mo say collaborate here. Me say asema eni dance ye no. Ye nyina ye betwa de dance ye. Me tie evangelist ade nko akasa emfa njeje. Ti na me bahat akyere no. Aha na ofaya nansa ye nsuo to ya eyiri nansa ye efa enkran nyina no. E na wo ye sa video we. Udeti okasa na udeti Ghana for me say bra na me free Ghana ha rosa na me kwatna na
me ko US de na mo
adentina ote oso okwa hen fa dia na mawu me ko US dia na mawu me se evangelist ade country be na evangelist ade ewo adentina country bebrebe wo wiase ose me ko US dia na mawu enti okọ US dia edentina okọ US dia yawu ede na wo US ho adentina ka se me tu kwa abrochiri ana me ko Europe na wo yes specific me ko US dia ene emowu enti den na wo US ho na kire se evangelist ade ka se one wo na ehye collaboration a on ehye collaboration se mo ya adwuma na wo Ghana ene ono wo US ini sa wo ko US dia ene emowu na kire se wo ko US ya ene wo ne asemasi efa ya no e ba abaye mo
ni mama ni papa e bet na social media SSSK mo repi o man Ghana o man info mo mo ntrase na mo hwe dia mo di o man Ghana me repeat bi o man Jimmy Penny o Ghana for there de bi America Ghana for me se bra na me free Ghana ha na me kwatna na me ko US dia na mo me say Kenny Jonas
me say me ko US dia ene mo US okoye de wo ana adentina why US ani no ka say me tu kwan dia mo me ko US dia ene mo asem bi se ba ha enye Avram Ben Moshe ikroye no wo ka say abrofo na say slave masters and abrofo na nya papa and slave masters yen tenke ye for Bible nto we slave master enwe no ho and so we sa video we nyina no what a slave master came na live video no adent no na get say bre na get say o ka kira wo say yento abrofo na ma nto twire ya Kristo som no wo no pa abrocha e de ba de akọ we CSF ni adwene wo no pa abrocha e de ba akọ na enkrofo o ka setia won usie nyane yenkoye ya mamra fam me pato America eho ya santo akurum ene America me ko US dia ene mawu asembusa ne se US na woso okwa yawu no okwa akoye de ewo US ho
se akoda ketwa akoda 6 months akoda 1 year ja wo ene no kre South Africa fo ajibe po se nyame bi wo ha de bia ayeda kwa akoda ketwa oyale Jimmy Penny o Ghana for there de bia America Ghana for me se bra na me free Ghana ha na me kwatna na me ko US dia na mo
me ko US dia ene mawu asembusa say US o kwa ega say wai nyina no wobutaye on CSF on de woye mu on ne plan ne intention we ba to US why conference ya chere kono mo ahonye slave masters ni krum it's about time we CSF near who the kind of person who see within the who the kind of person who see only do me say the ento when me koya qualification me no ade bia no aya na me pese me nya no correct
Emma Ghana babonte na obey apology Emma Ghana for what you say
me ko US dia mawu no evangelist ade nya US no na guess o ko US dia bibi be koso me say asem ania dance ye ye twa bi na de ya dance ye
enipa mafom wo mo no minim sa ebon ni papa mafom no there was this one of my friends be posted in a picture gay be of Virginia or posted in a picture and I wish papa no happy birthday and I me hu or target papa na me hu papa ni di me ko send a request friend request oh Facebook na me message ni say Starboy na te say wan kasa be komi say na ebufu ewu eniyema bi ameme ye ya minim sa nkoyi me pa ho chew and I won so ben mo share so ka ho me busa o question say Bible no enya adan na sofo ni the Bible ni bia ya kwankyere for so long what you say Bible no asofo the Bible no eya yenyim asofo a omoye asofo papa wo Ghana omonam Bible no so ya kwankyere emi kire mo kwasa ya ma mpanyimfo kora ni koduru parliament ya omo suasuade aduru achi no omo the Bible no na so in to take over our country Ghana ni mu what you say Miniano o common sense no e de ben watim dia ma Ghana apart from say wo bragging and
no correct common sense da ma Ghana Kwame Chei Unity Oil ni station e won kan inde wo Kumasi wa dedicate e de religious we are religious person as Dr. Kwame Chei nanso ni nyame som no ne Bible ni nyame asem ode ne ho ato so be affecting adwuma woye wa waja nyame asem ato no no filling station he na wo mumisa mosi filling station he say Christianity Kwame Dr. Kwame Chei wo yo Christo ni Christianity mu no wo the filling station enguye Christosom engu filling station Christosom my radio station and say why angel panino your friend is simple Dr. Kwaku Oten asori a work on enya effect a man ni companies ni nguye enya ni a man ni companies ni nguye aya wuni pakro no wadwene ene wanam a wobetu na dey abrofno mu kwa so ni bi Messi Donald Trump when obi anya religious enche Donald Trump oko ne White House wo spiritual advisor Paula White spiritual advisor Ghana mampanyini kura ni bi Ghana mpa ese Christian country mpo no Ghana mpa ni bi sa a o mampanyini no appoint na wo ye spiritual advisor dima Donald Trump a wo ye president of America Kacha say na Ghana really obi na ono abuse e kwan na the Bible no ye adwuma na wo ye de opa the pastor okay Exodus chapter 20 verse 6 verse 8 was see 6 days na ye wadwuma na ye wade nyina that so no e ye homeda ma Nyankopon kra ka say 6 days fire adwuma won ka say for the whole week what transfer them na men kan sa enti se ebinum abuse Nyankopon de no the 24/7 edit ya saw them enye sana Bible na kan ya attack nipa ni suban ya attack the Bible CSF4 da bia mo se be ya no okanfo apostle Kojosafo we common sense ni apostle Kojosafo we are religious persons no and so affect the kind of way na mun kire ye common sense ni bi e wo Ghana ha no e de no waye Manchester de campo common sense ni be na tuna ye bi Jawdi ane say yenya Kristosum ena atija me kan no akademachi atija yenya Kristosum adentira eno ne agenda wo mo faare say ye manipa forget Bible no a ye begina so na ye popular na ye de di na 1 Corinthians 1 Timothy 6 verse 10 say boni nyina hini eni sika pe na Matthew 16:26 so nipa nya wiase nyina na ahore okra fa so bei ene womu but Avram de ono no onya de obedi awie a eno ano no we na e wosenka Endra Kofi Adom frɛ Evangelist Ade ene Avram dientia Avram anko program no so no eno so wetirem
me chie sa question nti odwane CSF won say wa post to picture no mo kura bibiri be gu ho no a wonu bi kura busa sa ade ntina yeah me chie busia fo ni na this is the moment of truth and natural wisdom yeah me chie busia fo na say many so many messages me call baby but me jam my phone with but me be me so many messages people are asking me on the page what you say mama pull your laptop is on chiro o post to pictures no on the page o say obeba program but program no so ya no wa ma e dey ni see ntira wa ma na CSF no bi kure busa sa adentina wa ma na le nsem ada e kan no ene na nsem ada e kan wonim de opeso kire eni ntina ben mo she bu shake ya wa ma because almost wo mu hu bi da say first time ever o wa obey debate bi hu history anasa obey program bi hu advert ya Ben Moshi anchor. That is the first time Ben Moshi obey program bi hu advert ya program be so na wa change the topic and say uncle what you say eye malam bi
tie yan fan say evangelist ade de o kana fan say oboa o twanto to so wanya opportunity Kofi Adoma e fra wo ne evangelist ade tie ye me pesa wo ai odi wa adwene to wo na mo se adwen na anya adwuma body ne bre enti ma adwen na anya adwuma ha som body ne bebre enti nka asama evangelist ade e kan nyina no wo boa Kofi Adoma program no so na wa from miedu no the best opportunity for you if you say Kofi Adoma TV no big platform e ko echiri enam say evangelist ade nim say the work can ye true na wo there no a obetuma ye bibi e wo so am oni magu asinti obetumi e de information bia benti no ono evangelist ade nim say the work can ye true no ono ekosho ono koye eba ne say na mo say anko tie eba ne say na mo say anko na kire se wonim say okọ a na nim be dey ebegu ase Avram Ben Moshi was a smart guy tie on say ni tape bi leaky ya na wo take ebuma na wo ka say oba ko gisika wo NPP fo no no ogi wi a no asa plastic wo mu na omba ba ni bibia no asa hunu mo say odum be ko aduru so ya video no leaky ye no on say eba say video na leaky a ono mo say no gitum say video na leaky no ya ewo mu say o kan ampa say oba akwaje sika ho NPP for no asaba be fire wo mo no akire ya oye teachings no o se okache common sense for say obi ma bribe a gi nedi unim de nti okansa enye se bia wo okansa because of say onim say bribe gi eyo da bi na mom no se wono aye bi no a enko no be ka say oh kasa we dem man ka ni ye ni nti ono be say o de smart move a policy ade ne say de o ye ne right ebi na okokwa ji sika wo so for wutu bempa ho tie ni ye okopa ne chew say na kafo akop de obi ka amanipa no ha no enti no so for wutu bempa mo na so for wutu bempa ebo anu ye no osab asam ni pie ye no osaba ye U10 ba ye smart move say so for wutu bempa de sika no ba be bribe no meanwhile so ho kire wo na wo sire ne say omwa wo enti wono no whenever enti Avram Ben Moshi waye obi a o twere s na wa ma na nkyere s na nwie na ye fa say o ka ho asempe no aye ne 8 tieni ye pa se wo twere s na wa nya na ma na nkyere s na nwie no mu sanse wa wie was an na ogusu twere s no ka se wa timpe obu apa no obetu di afema aye ne 8 because we are smart o twere l no o twere wie no amana ntra nya amana fa penant ho na aka se wawie na ohun se watia isa so beka se beti no obo apa de l ne beye bi because ohun se answer na ye bi enti all policy the same way obi ma bribe aginedin because onu so aka se okwa kwaje bribe ni bi enti na ogina onu ni mistake ni so instead of say obe apologize no all policy ni mistake no aka kire common sense ni say obi ma bribe aginedi common sense kwa beka to say bribe je eye bone o common sense ebe ka kire wo say bribe je eye bone but onu akwaji binti no obi ma bribe aginedi me say yamfa ne say ayi evangelist ade asem na wo kan wo twan kontompo yamfa ne say wo kan asem ato so ana Kofi Adoma se ye pemu no kurenti mommra onu evangelist ade no onim say wo twan kontompo a so o kan say onu munya na bo opo say o pese onya sika na trend ya ma yamfa ya bible no se na ye kontompo a ehọ na wo say okokọ kirikire ni mu na wo do wonim de no nyansa no e proof no wrong say de wo kan o twan tro ato so na wiase nyina hu bi but onim say enra wo koya nkwanim gugu asinti no run away said the odwane wo Inshira FM hanom no
and then a high.
The second runaway. Second runaway.
I said, "Your brother, now, what's the way? What's what that for dick? What's the way? What that for dick? Doctors will hear the assurance. Somebody, Yaka say, ya, and Yabama, Obedia, Abanqa, or no, our Mizanic Faith Salvation Assembly, Wolfing Cry. I try ever. Sadana can come for the chief, a kefa, already, or also Elfia. Now, I want someone I see her. And yet, I bring the enemy Abraham say, ya, pat. Anna Abraham, then Moshe was supposed to go for a minimum. Yabon pass them Mukube. But if you Basica will be out, and I'm only a sophobia quapam.
Ote, inside from Ru, Jana, also I can't say, Yaba Honomono, Yaboy pass a Yamara Bikuno, until Jana. Now I Guinea class 1 a crackra and over Guinea. Yabon pass a Mimekuma. Number 3 in crime. Afaka ku inside from studio. E ho na mpa kuma Abraham Mushi. Enso asmo Kenya no kre. E na asafo ni madin ko obi asemi ni nkomo bia. Inside from for na invite me na maba. Runaway na oye na no abi no na osaye no.
Etimo badia. Tobia me kola Moses Babro. Ewu bagum ni enko. Ensabe dia. Abraham ben Moshe wajane ben Moshe wajane Jane Afinche Jane Afinche Common sense Jane ni number America what Afinche FM Jericho na Jeremiah betata me dia totem no amano penya nanso watimi anyina sabre wajane
Ojani free Israel from studio no what na agben that common sense for say what they or sorry call peacefully. Hey, would you who didn't say Yabana Bible the honor de Baba Bay for Bible Casa was my Johnny? No, that common sense if one say or sorry call some Jim because of say when him say maybe Oma Mama Mania, Oma Mana Mania say mayba as a phone I got 2 woman or Yabo Mania. And radio only evangelist are there, your catcher will say, Emma who post to no page. Eba ne se na wanko na che se no kurebi wo baabi a wonim se wo koya ebetumi adaadi me se kan eye nifa no etwa ha na etwa ha Abraham ben Moshe eba responded to evangelist Adea udeti
religion yeah you never believe in the God from mbra say me mbra aman kralo or your voice note me body na kire mo kire me mbra aman kralo show so me aman kralo Osu bempanin crofo we. Someone fetch ya come is cadia. Cobiscat show no so okay. I'll see. So for by could be so for by US and no man is car into a panichel. Tin sonata. Ya de achemi free. Achemi. Me. Ajuma panko a. Me na myself for or common day and da.
Me ba ta wote. Wan ka CSM fu. O se menem de ba de masefo wo ye CSF ni a adwe anya dwuma body ne bre o se wore na asefo ekom ne wo mo da CSF ni aton yogurt tie ni ye net ni ye listen and listen good listen and listen attentively o se wore na asefo ekom ne da adwuma fa ba ne wo ye anya yen say Bible when your time Ewa Kingdom TV. What is what the church said here? We are by what show who ye na and more than what is what the church da? Yeah, talk Bible. Who did ye?
It's a Bible, ne Quran, no nya. With all due respect, Honorable Ken, started to say, or expose your sophomore, then I'm a catch them. If you want to bring your religion down, it's not exposing individuals. And Drew baby, they and obin in bed them and a bedu kubi and a maya soleno. I told you. Me so phobia to me ma lambien to me enkremofono mojim hudia mo fa shika me da wale mbra
obi antumi no ene Israel FM usoro dwane obi antumi wo no afaka afrin kran o akra mesem wo akra wa afaka afrin kran akokumase na mesa fa ka free nkan akokumase na wo wadwane free studio a o kasa obi entumi na o kasa wo shake awa no o kasa obetumi no ana o kasa we debate wie oni edami sesi a debate what is truth a common sense leader onim de fa nokore hedi nam sa kwa we o problem o ase nokore sesei hey nokore nso so ya woni sase ho
anya me na me friend debate enkremophobia na kofa ne plan eh ti abra na wo ade wo ti o say illuminati fo na soma me say me bere wase wo de jimie de ayew ade wo de jimie ade wo nkrophobia e wo Ghana say wo cassette no ade a they will start to do now nkrophobia framing you have ram will come and kill you ade o no ye more etuo kwasia opegana ba aboa opegana ba enti wa sheda hwade odi e chief imam
opegana ba na wo so nye na wo sesi yi me ball voice I say brebre na wo nso unya ho kwesa nde na wo so kwakoye wa America ho ede na wo nso kwakoye e wa America ho onu pegana ba we Dubai ni ana wo free Haiti ana wo free China nya Ghana ni no ye opegana ba aro Ghana ni na wa Ghana hampo na wa Ghana ni mpo da bia otufu say yen forget ya brofo no wonu asem kire say you don't mean what you say o say brabra no nya abotire kwesha unya America kwesha ne kese wo tie no abrotire ne abrofo suban ya ofe omonema ya ofe o kasa nyina so tekem no o kasa
hwade odi asante hene hwade odi ananado
ande wa pa ho chewo ndi sa na ono so pese won so ye wone wa tena se na abopo nti ono pa chewo na ugusu di sa wo nsem no an wo se bra wa me pa chewo be ko so a expose
bisa Kofi Adoma Anochi Supremo owu ye nyina efriade omu raise fund for Anochi Supremo na ade be ye video say omu boa yemfa we Anochi Supremo enko India na Anochi Supremo wo India ama mata sister yi ebre hwade Kofi Adoma yen sister yi wi hwade ade ade Kofi Adoma
ne nyina achi na Kofi Adoma awo kan ade ade Kofi Adoma enra ho na invite mum yenu nye Kofi Adoma e kire se Kofi Adoma no di ade ye ni nyina no wa apologize into atiase asema wo kan ya asema esidada a nipa na pa ho chawo de wo kan enko ba bia wodi we e bra won nsem ne so Kofi Adoma frɛ mo se mo mra ede nti na wankɔ wa bra wonim se evangelist ade etwan kontumpo na wo stop program no na kese bre bia bo nsa no kuru bi beda di bia na wo dwane ebi na koye nchira FM no because wonim se etna no ma wo ko otu ebekirem pam no twa no ma that attention ni bio open nya time fa kwotena radio station opa kaska Bible ne ho asema from anapa kosi anyumere obi amfiu opa to kamu samsa obi amfiu de wo se ye kama obi ahu se wo yo trofo yaka enu tina ma kedu fire o ka e bechirim evangelist ade de o ka nyina no obepa ho chewo ena wo se won so pa chewo o ka kire will follow us se asofo ne gisika ntomunya collection to ewi akire na yemfa sika ne mre mosie na adane emabo mo mra me boa me na me bie money
Kristo ni sofu bi na we yese woni ben mosie wo debate ena nka eduru ho na nka wankwa anka ben mosie di adane topic se asofu ni suru no ya na ye me nze na no ka se achim asofu no ekom eni sika ni brenti no ene kro ene sosofu bi ko Bible school kra wo ko ni 6 months 6 months no sosofu no wo ko Bible school na fe no wo akwa gbapo sofu wo ko Bible school eduapo e de cultural exams wo wi ne ya de abo no kon so wo sofu nti wo ba bi preach a kire
oni akwate ofori akwaba
mu sha no odwane ohun se woni e da wo nso se bi obesi aka wo ibiza sese ba ben mo she no de o program na se bi bat what is one thing or the accounts now or comment e wo program na se me ba ma me nkyere wade Person a chair what there. And no, it's free and Benjamin who are post to sa. We in a post to. We free and Benjamin our post to sa.
Post or post in here. Are there old and Emma or they attack a Bible? Not ye can say dear. Ye can say dear. And as I didn't can go around and Music and accounts of what be. In the common sense, found of him, sir. And like Judaism power. Say I know any debate the protect Judaism. If we actually find a see the same thing. And a common sense. If we actually was so called being a common sense view.
The forces in nature and the gods of our land and the Kenyan Kwame. You can't stand me.
Yamina and an or Tawachi. Negas said the no common sense view. I feel the no common sense view. I feel the no common sense view. Mr. Evangelist are dead. Bibi and say we be ye, a yepa. And also,
if you didn't know Benjamin our posters, we are 3 hours ago, you. 3 hours ago, I was supposed to. When Timmy now, be chewadi, better be chewadi. We be better be chewadi. When Timmy now, was supposed to, we seem to mamma how many hours ago. We see 4 hours ago. Just then every 1 hour be opposed to no deleting, no why be at the 10. No why was the many collaboration and then maybe see yourself for crown WhatsApp group me womb. Collaboration when you are camouflage. And a woman on my shadow post so I did not camouflage. Collaboration when you are post and camouflage. See yourself full group of crabby womb. Into collaboration they be on the interview. What do you say, baby? Because I'm a one day. Baby. When to me now, natural idea. We post to be anywhere or delete be a film. Program no ye ni. Wa se won de wo ma ba wo be utimi behwe program no no e twa screenshot. E post to the 13 hours ago no. Utimi bi twa program no screenshot. E be post to yi. What you say? Wo no ko ma hwese ne comment bi kura wa se asese. Wo no kura ne comment ni o. Program ne ko so na wo comment. Opeso wa chire CSF won to more money now because no cry ba ho be comment ba no usuru be ati but the man ye powerful no say ni nyame ye sum nyame what next be sa questions kro na me ma homework what dey say be ba ye wade bi say opese wo disprove Christianity o use Bible dey disprove Christianity. But winning the tricky part, your question go how me musasa question in there. Your question be usmasia. And we are the real software. Unya answer ma oda. Ya transia calculate niema at the questions be a software be and who bet me ma sa question no answer. Now, the teacher say Quran nso bi o. Me share o mala na me yi sa question. Untimi ma me answer da. Ba na me nyi Quran ni. Se Quran de me ko heaven ana se menye Bible ne se Bible de me ko heaven me ntimi nkoye Bible hu debate because ade a me menyi nie no me kura menye ma adwen se me hwehwe mu ye na matiase die edibi nso software sua makwa de menim ekwan ono so no no aduane ma sorofo no nya bi na ka kura ne Bible de he ne timi de obenya accident e ba ni wu na chete hwem kura nka ka no kura ehu cheba elto so bi eto so bi Bible no efri Bruni ne bae osi Bruni ne eme bia anye odi okra de Bruni ne eme bia anye Bible no Bruni de ba bi kunyan asɛ ya brabo Bible no ba be sɛ Africa Bible na sɛ Ghana Bible na me ntimi ankoyani Bruni kro na nso ayeka Bruni
the same Bruni kro na nso ayeka and the utim and the utim owie ye no wabetre 3 reasons intia mo say intimi apologize me pato ende be de mammo ne hanom na me pese me bona YouTube na ne de live de ko na wie bibia aye clear bibia aye clear
me chia pusiafo difference between the entire itime ibu ka osun e common sense osun e abo bia osun pa afo na yesa o yansafo obi a onim yansa na yesa enye obi a o just common sense na mka yese aboa o kra common sense that between what you say aboa wansra e common sense utimu sa ha o kwedi o kwa emframa na no odi ntie se oba na chi aboa wansra common sense. But the difference between the entire itime ibu ka osun e common sense osun e abo bia osun pa osun ya abo bia osun but adenti na nipa ketekete me kwache osun de ne betu kg na osan nipa na san de age hu skadi e wuzu nyame na ama nyame na ama ya powerful sa. It also cause problems in Ghana because the moment they apologize they begin to ingenuity or genius. What you say? Now, reason why I've been wishing person by apologize to me, Ghanaians don't like apology. The moment you apologize for your wrongs or something that you have done wrong, it means you are losing your credibility. Tell me, our politicians in Ghana will never apologize. They will continuously cause problems in Ghana. Because the moment they apologize, they begin to lose. Ubi be jinanchen, ubi a hiano na komde ne Ghana na. Omampenyin bi ya ne bone na omampenyin ne hu nyansa se ade a me ye na ntwe yintimi pachew na yemfa yi ntu yi no. Se de be ya omampenyin ne yi mistake bi e na wo pa ho chew. Nti se next time ubi nam sa na mo no so a me life bibli no ye example for all of you to learn from. Me ya DB mapa ho chew nti me nua bi gina ho next time ubi yes ade no a onim se is it possible say nipa ne be san ba be pa chew what you say enu nti ese o question say nipa no se mampanyin bi eye project bi ama Ghana na wa anyi ni yi ekwan bi a omo ye no wa anyi ni yi na opa ho chew e TV station so na radio bi na hu se o ekwan a omo yi se e sei ni nti da ekwan no anye papa o mampanyin na pa chew next time sabai for ba na o yes a project ni bi na o ya yi mistake ya enam so mampanyin na odi kan no representatives edi kan pa chew e ma wutie ye hu di ntra o mo ye mistake ni ntino se obi san ye se mistake na okra o be guard na se no me nuade a wuyi obi edi kan ye apa chew nti enko. That is the merits of apologies. Apologies don't cause harm. Apology, first of all, coming from somebody who is wise, and then apology serves as a lesson to learn from, so that you will never make that mistake anymore. But in Ghana, Ghana is a country whereby the moment you start apologizing as a leader, you are losing your credibility. So your leader in Ghana, the NPP or the NDC leader in Ghana, will never apologize because they think they don't want to lose their credibility before you. So they will always go ahead and deceive. What you say? Your NDC leaders or MPP, they will never apologize. Into all the most adena MP no yen and yet police ya cheno pa no afa hon lawyer. Because himself one and a papa de police so esuya di odi kan nante. Nti na da bia wo man e kofom. You should learn how to obi ye apology. Obi afumones or power chewa. Do not be arrogant. What you say? Should the intra or patch on it. Ask for the reasons why any panel patch. Many hypocrite. People saw me before. I have done so many things. Many hypocrite. But in Nipa me cannot crash them. The intra so for baby will see can they only live a comfortable life. Because the only way for you to prosper truly is to use Bible, never Bible, ne sumyame. Men I make no crash you. Use Bible, never Bible. No, as soon then yam penny phone tank as in said, Ubintimi any yame ham, Ubintimi yame say, or the Sicano Babayan a CSF, the piano, yes, Sicana, first and near some of the musica masofu. A soft one is say musica, a soft one, eat the musica, any other day. Inti Modi Sicana software, Mojini. What you say? Any panel so on so sophobia son them 3 reasons in any first of all, any credibility. Obi CSF we need ya Sabi ni trim adwena ne common sense no ama na yesa aboa bi what you say ne common sense no ayese aboa bi what you say into one ya arrogant when se bia with nyansa sense na brechiri wi so na witimi di huri gata no enu bi na da witiri mo ho brechiri bia auto na tade okay odia ye ni pada se ni timi cage ni e dia brechiri atom kase wo mampanyi na lose ni credibility ntino o de ma sofo ndi ayesa na ma yi nyina na yesi jale emfa nkoma ye minim ya sheda na ye ntina meme pa che no ba obi nim so no Ghana me kire odi ntra enti kura kan wa ma ne mpa che no because so pa che we udwane ese coronavirus nti waka Ghana because so wanya se so ono o Philippines se o ko Philippines o pa che we pe se o pa che na bia ni plane ticket ya ready o ko Philippines akwa akobo no ho adwa kakra na lita wasan babak corona nti se se wanya citizen of Philippines ya just o twan because citizens pe ni timeko itimi move back and forth nti so wonya ko pa che se wo ma just wo shede mo be some oje bi a 1 year e wakra ono so he is not ready to do that e combat no nti wode ye den na takashi bebrebra so ti credibility sikana ono wo se ma mo mfa masofo no be mo shi CSF wo mason dan way mo committee akonya mo transfer no ho na eto mo meeting nyina wo fon so sikana wo de ma no na wasan to credit ya ba bi di na chi wo internet ya ba be comment ya na CSF e na wani ada ho na woni a wagini papa wagini suyanyansa wagini ba ye si all this kama picture dia me post ni sisi ya 5 days ago obusa money transfer no what is kind of project ben what they ton konwa go aso ndem sa mo ba na matena so na say inim sa sofo ni dibi ton konwa ukwa sofo suama dibi no aduane utimi kwa ajagraja omo nkwa so nyina ko di o sometimes na ya ne bia edu omo nkwa so nyina timi fa ka ko didi o free ebi mo sheda ko visiting bo he come de no ko didi kwa ho eni bi na sofo ne de no aduane da be na ben mo sheda no aduane se mo medi ono no sika no mo de kwa ko no mo wi o bebe be kanse bunta oba na wo kasa na wo tietem ma se wi frem eno na asa man kra do buta na mpese mekentra na mpese meka sika na mu tuitu o de hwipi black na no young guy were nice on see me so on ba ku so your friend Yehuda so we were a very genius guy but oberu so wo mu nyina edi o no ma mekiska oberu so wo no mu nyina de o ma mekiska o mu nim ne pefe say without God without nyame wintinem prosper in life what you say enintine nyame no so many people see God from different angles and kremofo say we Allah we say the same nyame no what you say and there is a reason why intra edin Jesus ubehu Jesus san o Islam ubesan hu Jesus ewo what they say Christianity the central concept in Islam is the Jesus. The central concept in Islam is Jesus. Why is Jesus so popular? Also you see yourself me to be frank and there be also that ya we mo share one adwene o tie mo Jesus o kete so also you see yourself new and there be also that ya we mo share one tie mo Jesus and inside mama yin head of time because me say that ya o me o the first one me fa form me say that ya wo nyansa ma me yenim how is me translate na Bible no ya pe ho yetime kura ye ho internet research ya pe ho ya pe de free say ye mistake ya sheda pe mistakes e wo religion bi ho yenim de tire yesa ya sheda
e yam panso mo say da bia Bible what is what the Bible why you kutu Bible no dey tufu always dey bia da bia bad the bad side of it nko the bad side of it nko na etwa da ho no no
what you say nti answer sometime munipa no ma say debate so obi e kremoni na me menyen kremoni a mentime ne nkonko debate about Islam winim di intra ye ko school no unti debate ni ye nyina yisua English language na English language no ayisua ye the topic bi aba say ye ba bi ye hu debate anasa me fan say ye science ye nyina ye scientist for me no nitimi hia ye debate na after debate no increase our level of knowledge ye nya debate say obi ene say wo nya science ni a untime ne science for nko ye debate because you know nothing about science. When you're a mathematician, you can never when a mathematician because math in never calculated formula you won't just see. So obey Yadena Obedru Hospital. No. Science if one chemical maybe the sun yadeno. We'd never believe in science. What go into Obia when you're science, when you're scientific scholar, when to many science for and conquer debate man into when you're Christian, when you be when you're currency be a goon. I just say, until he will never apologize. Or Becassa Cacre, you know what, him. Now what an Adrian trick him. None of all preaching and none on Bannet that say money transfer and none on Bannet each trem was saying, Sidio Musi, a bet none on Bannet trem cover, non Bannet come back and forth. My children, some Messiah, and to what they are drinking a dreamer, or what you know so bread. But when you was one who be soon, I drink one. Or Becassa Cacre, you know what, him. Now what an Adrian trick him. None of all preaching and none on Bannet that say. I will not go to Oba Pagana for watching in TJ. But we will never tell our leaders we are not ready for them to apologize. Inti Oman Penny beat me could do Omani Sika. Still no a lawyer. How are you me? I'm Musi and Agana and Penny of Wutimeda Damuchin. Because my penny mistake there. They will never apologize.
Abusia and some of the ending at the Honomono. Be beyond Honomo a hinter and Eddie. I will look 12 verse 2. Be beyond Honomo hinter and Eddie. It's all your common sense in now tia. Who take a joke? Common sense never winning. Common sense number was someone see. But leader no, my body video. I am watching audio side. Essay one day on one answer for a common woman that now once way. Common sense in anyway. Common sense in anyway. Yeah, no. You were born never by one in the dark on more. Fire, yeah. Some of the be American SMC. One no, what they attacking the Bible, attacking Jesus, no did. If it's one him say, I doubt Bible no attack no. The business I say. Enti yes wedding kunum.